What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, and in this video I will be going over how you can make money globally with $25 1up. But before I do that, if you're new to this channel, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I upload a video on how to make some daily cash. Alright, so here we're on the page that you will get in your back office. This is the page that you would get that you could send out to people that want more information through emails or however you want to use it, but just know it's already done for you. I want you to think about how long will it take you to build or make a website that looks like this, explaining all of the levels and going into more detail on how it works. How long do you think it will take you to make this type of website if you have no type of experience with network marketing? This is already done for you, so it cuts to the chase. So here it's a pretty unique page. You can see the luxury in the background, it's a city, and you can see the title here. It's a system that builds you an online brand, and you earn daily income, and it's trusted by entrepreneurs around the world because it's global. You don't have to just stick to local people. You don't have to stick to family and friends. I have people who join me in this business that's in Jamaica, that's in London, that is in Africa. As long as they have a processor that could, exchange through different currencies and they could read English, then they could do this work with $25 1up. So here, let's just go over the product overview and how everything works. So hosting fees, the one-time $10 that you have to pay, guys. It includes a system, guys, that's already been tested, that's already been, making people money. It also builds a downline builder. It also gives you a downline builder, which is also known as an email list, an email marketing list that you could market to. It builds a capture page for you, which in all of the trainings, I always recommend that you send your traffic to a capture page where you could send out this offer through emails, through email marketing. So basically, the $10 hosting fee is just to have access to all of the things that is done for you and inside of the system that helps you generate money and help you learn how to make money and run an online business. Now, the levels are the packages and the products. Okay, so the $10 hosting fee is just to have access to it, and the levels itself is what actually is going to make you money and what's actually going to teach you how to make money online with any business or this particular business. So the gold level is a one-time $25 fee, and you earn $25 per commission. And here you get 500 pre-ran ads, Facebook group cheat sheet, mindset training videos, step-by-step tutorial, step-by-step system tutorial. You get the affiliate marketing cheat sheet training course, 50 ways and ideas to promote any business. And you also get the ability to edit the system's autoresponder, which is already built inside the system. The platinum level is a one-time fee of $100, and you get Facebook marketing video courses, YouTube courses, Instagram courses, the ability to use 12 banner ads that you can promote to your downline. You also get to add another autoresponder, which I talked about in some of my videos, like GetResponse, Aweber, where you could set your emails on autopilot. You also get the ability to brand yourself. Okay, you get the ability to brand yourself. You can add one video to your downline through the messages. Now, the diamond level is a one-time fee of $250, but the admin fee is $25. So that's $275 to get started with the diamond level. You get all of the gold, all of the platinum. You get list building courses. You get digital marketing courses, the 10K blueprint. You get more resources, more tools that will help you make money, okay, faster. So once you get here, platinum level, you are starting to learn how to sell high ticket products, okay? So the diamond level, you're able to earn $250 per referral, and you get a lot of, more resources, more tools, just like you do with the enterprise level, which is a one-time $500 fee, and the admin fee is $50. So it's $550 one time to get started with the enterprise. You get all of the gold, all of the platinum, all of the diamond features, plus you get more how to close high ticket sales video courses. You could do more video marketing. It comes with more courses, more training. that can help you earn up to $500 per sale. Now, when I say 500, when I'm mentioning making money per each sale, I want you to understand that these sales are going directly to your PayPal, to your Cash App, to your Zelle, to your Stripe account, to whatever it is that you decide to get paid with. It's you are getting paid directly. It's a member to member business. Okay, so you don't have to wait for a company to cut a check at the end of the week, at the end of the month. Most of these affiliate marketing businesses pay out once a month or every week. This allows you to get paid instantly and direct. All right, so you get more tools, more resources, and of course with the elite level, which is $1,000 plus the $100 admin fee, you get everything for free, from the diamond level up to the gold for free. You get more custom. You get to customize the blog, so you get a capture page and a funnel builder. All right, SMS, which is a text message autoresponder, and you also get to customize your video library. So you get all of this plus everything that comes with the diamond, enterprise, platinum level, and gold level. And not only that, you earn $1,000 per referral. Now, if you're watching this video and you are saying that's crazy, nobody's going to buy this course for $1,000, it's not the mindset that you want to have, because if you are in this network marketing business, you would see that it's so many people that spend more than $1,100 on a course, $5,000 to $10,000 on courses that really don't even help them make money. But this allows you to make money instantly. So $1,000 for a course is not really bad, and you're getting, and the value of this system is way more than $1,100 to get started with it from the get-go. So this is not, something that people should not want to take advantage of. This is something that you really should look into. Now, I don't really get into, all of the worldly problems and everything, but right now we have the coronavirus going around. So if your job was to get shut down today, if your job was to close the doors today until you had to stay home for a week or two or even a month, how would you provide for your family? How would you make money? Do you have anything backed up? Do you have anything that could generate you money when life happens every single day? So this program will allow you to make money instantly, so you could take care of anything that you need to take care of. If they do decide to shut everything down, guys, all I need is my laptop. Okay, all I need is my laptop and internet to make money internationally. So this the coronavirus might not affect another country. Okay, so I still can be marketing my products in another country that is not worrying about a coronavirus right now. So I don't really want to get too much in that virus. I'm just making an example of, do you have anything backed up that can help you make money if the world or the economy go down today? This will allow you to make money for a lifetime, and you're only paying a one-time fee. It's no monthly fees, and these payments are instant. So here, I just want to go over the different products and how it works. And once you go ahead and get started, you'll be able to come to the back office, and let me show you some of the payment proofs that of me getting paid. All right, so what I had to do was zoom in for privacy purposes of other people's names and everything like that. But as you can see, guys, these are memberships that are being paid. You see this directly to me, and my name is right here, so this is my account. But directly to me, guys, 25, 25, 100, 100. And what I want you to understand is how I actually made money was just posting this on social media, running different ads on different, campaigns, seeing what worked and what doesn't work. And when you join this business, it's all up to you and your mindset, what you want to create, what you want to make, why. Your why will come down to you making money. Why a lot of people don't actually make money with online business because they quit. You really can't lose in network marketing. You can quit, but you can't fail. Only way you say you might have failed is because you quit. But if you keep going every day, keep finding some technique that works and stick with that technique, then you'll start having results, guys. Results like this. This is money that comes in every single time somebody buys the product. So I have different type of stories that I could tell you about a time where I was just not even worrying about I did a post, made some type of content, got off, enjoyed my day, and boom, commissions came in. I remember I was out to eat and I was just, having a nice time out to eat. I was not worrying about my business, but I just had made a post. And next thing you know, guys, I got a commission came through while I was having, a dinner while I was eating. So it comes in different times. Even when it was a time where I was asleep and commissions came through. I woke up, checked my phone, boom, I have a commission right here because one of my products got sold. So it's one of those things. Actually, it really is on autopilot. And when people say autopilot, you still have to put the work in. You still have to set things up. You still have to do certain things in order to just run traffic and, allow the sales to build up, which we teach you inside of this business, inside of this system. It teaches you everything that you need to know. The resources are in there. The copy and paste ads, guys. Everything that you need is inside of this system. I also do YouTube videos to help my people that want to make money online, that have already joined with me. All of that, I show you all of the techniques that I use that is helping me get paid. So this type of content, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment below on more things that you want to see, and I can start making more videos. Sure, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell so you'll be the first to know once I drop these videos on how to make some daily cash. But other than that, I'm out.